Hello, Bryontology people. I am getting ready to go through a car wash. You know, as part of the limo life, rule number 1 is keep a clean car. Rule number 2, keep a clean car. Rule number 3, drive safe. So, most days I do go through the car wash. Today is no exception. I like having a clean car, and my customers, my guests, appreciate a clean car. So it elevates the quality of the service beyond, you know, what most typical Uber rides are, or even a lot of the black car services operate. But you want to have a car that's in good repair and clean. Well, here we go. Look at that. Now, as it gets noisy, you're just going to hear the noise of the car wash, and you'll hear less of my voice. Yay! Reminded him of my grandson going through the car wash. He loved, when he was like 4 or 5 years old, he loved going to the car wash. I remember we would go through a car wash, and then, just a second, and then when we came out and we were driving on the road, down the road, about 30 seconds, let's do it again, Grandpa, let's go to the car wash again. I want to go again. That was the highlight of his day. Just all the moving parts and the colors. And they rinse it. Do a reasonable job. That's how you do the drive-through part. Now we're going to go ahead, and this particular car wash actually has some folks that'll come in and do a quick dry. They don't do a perfect job, but they do a pretty good job, and I can go over and finish it myself afterward. So here they are. He's doing the work, and this will probably be done in less than a minute. Like I say, it'll take me another couple minutes to kind of do the little more detailed work than they're doing, but that's all right. This car wash membership, I think, cost me around $20 a month, or $19.99 a month, or $20. Money well spent. And here we go. And I'm going to get out. There's a tip jar here. Throw a couple bucks in there. Okay, and I am going to go to one of the vacuum cleaners, and I'm going to dry off my car, and then I'm going to vacuum it out and clean it. And then when I'm done with this, I'm ready to start my day. when somebody needs a ride, when I give someone a ride, they'll start out in a clean car. Take care. Oh, and by the way, if you're ever in Austin, Texas, and you'd like for me to give you a ride, you can try your luck on Uber, and one out of the 10,000 or so Uber drivers in Austin, you might actually get me. Or if you'd like to book a black Cadillac XTS sedan, click the link below, and I'd be more than happy to help you out and to meet you and give you a ride. Take care and have a good rest of your day, and subscribe, of course, unless you don't want to, but I'd like you to. Anyway, in any event, you have a great day. Take care.